Hey guys, Chris here with a quick announcement. Behind me, the guys have started to build the world's largest Coldbreak jockey box. It's a 10-tap, 210-quart rotomolded cooler, all stainless steel construction with 500 feet of coil inside of it. Why am I telling you this? Well, because we're giving it away. It's a prize valued at over $5,000. To enter, all you're going to do is submit a 1 to 2 minute video on why you want it and what you're going to do with it. On our website, we'll have a landing page where you can upload your video and then fill out a quick form for us. We will then publish your videos to our YouTube page for everybody to see. The winners will be chosen by us, first and foremost, based on creativity and intended use, but also some of the metrics like average view duration, number of comments, types of comments, number of likes, that kind of thing. So make sure you share it. The official rules or the link to the official rules is below. And as always, if you have any questions along the way, email us support@coldbreakusa.com. Good luck.